Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing space. Now I realize that this can be quite a large topic with many different subtopics and ways to dissect such a big idea. I wanted to narrow it down to a few, I feel, fascinating subtopics. First, I want to discuss the sheer enormity of space. What I mean when I say this is to discuss facts and figures that put into better perspective the massive size of the universe. I think you will find these facts and subsequent pictures and graphics to be very interesting. Second, I want to discuss some unknown facts about space, or should I say, unknown to you all. This is different from the first section, as this section will not deal solely with the size of space, but with unique concepts and ideas about space. Thirdly, we will look at a few quotes from members of the scientific community. I hope you enjoy this presentation as we walk through the world of outer space. Main point 1. Enormity of space. Did you know that in the Milky Way alone, just our galaxy itself, there are over 46 billion planets roughly the same size as the Earth? Not only that, but in the Milky Way, there are over 200 billion stars. Again, this is just in our galaxy. Now you might be trying to remember how many galaxies there are in the universe. I'll help you. Scientists believe there are over 100 billion galaxies. That's incredible. Some scientists even believe that there may be even upwards of 170 billion galaxies in total, just in the observable universe. Speaking of the observable universe, scientists believe that the universe is approximately 93 billion light years across. That is 5.4 miles. Well, not exactly. That is 5 followed by 21 zeros and then a point 4. Simply put, the universe is larger than we could ever possibly begin to imagine. Just to put all that in a perspective we can understand, the Earth itself is 24,874 miles across. Speaking of how big the universe is, let's discuss the single largest structure in the universe. According to scientists, Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is so massively large at somewhere between 6 to 10 billion light years that scientists are not sure how it is even existing, and don't believe it should exist as it is above what scientists consider the limit for the size of objects in the universe. If the number 93 billion light years holds up, then this single wall is almost a full tenth the size of the entire universe. Though that may seem like a small percentage, we need to remember that there are over 170 billion galaxies, and this single object is larger than millions of them combined. I hope y'all are enjoying this as much as I am. Those are just a few fascinating facts about the size of the universe. Now we will be moving into a variety of facts about the universe itself and what is contained within it. Main point 2. Unique facts about space. Mount Everest is an adored wonder of the Earth and has been forever, as one of the largest single monuments on planet Earth. However, it is dwarfed by Olympus Mons, which is on Mars and is 72,000 feet tall, compared to Mount Everest, which is a little over 29,000 feet tall. Even though Pluto is no longer represented as a planet here on Earth, it is still important to know how long it takes to get there. Having been launched in 2006, the spacecraft New Horizons is the fastest spacecraft ever. However, even as it is unbelievably fast, it still took New Horizons 9.5 years to reach the furthest former planet in our solar system. Again, to put that in perspective, the Andromeda Galaxy is the nearest major galaxy to us in the Milky Way. However, it would take a human being 2.5 million years to reach the Andromeda Galaxy. That would mean if we put the average lifespan of a human being at 79 years, it would take the lifetime of 31,645 people, or nearly the entire population of Alabaster, Alabama, just to reach the galaxy. We would need the entire population of Dothan, one of the largest cities in Alabama, to go round trip. Main point 3. Quotes and theories on space. Next, I wanted to take a few minutes to discuss the amazing nature of outer space in the words of scientists, theorists, and other major contributors to our understanding of space in the world today. First, in a quote from Paul Hawkins, a noted environmentalist speaking to the University of Portland at their commencement address in 2009, stated, Ralph Waldo Emerson once asked what would we do if the stars only came out once every 1,000 years? No one would sleep that night, of course. The world would create new religions overnight. We would be ecstatic, delirious, made rapturous by the glory of God. Instead, the stars come out every night and we watch television. This quote speaks to the beauty and wonder of space and how we as humans interact with it on a daily, momentary basis, yet fail to recognize the sheer enormity and wonder of it all. In conclusion, It has been a pleasure to walk through the outer space with you all. I leave you with the words of artist Joseph Joubert: "Space is to place as eternity is to time." Thank you.